Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Make a system restore point and confirm you have administrator rights so changes are reversible. Next, download a trusted utility like Explorer Patcher or Start All Back. These tools provide the safe UI option Windows 11 omits. Once downloaded, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator to avoid permission issues. Make sure apps are saved because you will restart Explorer. This minimizes disruption and ensures you can quickly undo changes. You install the tool and then open its configuration UI to change the taskbar position. Once installed, open Explorer Patcher or Start All Back settings and locate the taskbar section. This is where you switch position to top. Make adjustments like icon size, spacing, and auto hide so the bar fits your workflow. Take your time here because these settings affect daily navigation. Once configured, the preview updates immediately, so you can confirm the look before finalizing the change. You finish by restarting Windows Explorer or rebooting to ensure the new top taskbar sticks across sessions. After restart, check pinned apps and system tray behavior. If icons misalign or the taskbar resets, reopen the tool and toggle the top position off and on or adjust auto hide. This often forces a correct redraw. If problems persist, uninstall the utility and use your restore point to revert. That guarantees a safe rollback without manual registry edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.